Hi, my tribe. So here we are with our pick a card reading for 2025 predictions. Okay, you're going to choose one which you resonate with, and that is going to be your prediction for next year. So you have to trust it. Believe me, it does come true. So the first pile is going to be the red jasper, okay, and the second is going to be the white cat's eye, and the third one is going to be the aventurine. So you choose intuitively, pause the video, and the one you connect with is going to be your prediction. So I'm going to start with the first one, that is the red jasper. This is going to be the second, and this is going to be the third. Okay, so let's see the red jasper. You know what? Telling my tribe, I've literally stopped wearing crystals. I only wear Rudraksh. Believe me, you won't need anything in your life once you connect with Rudraksh. Not that I don't believe in crystals, I do. Okay. So 2025 for pile 1. Okay. Now, your year is going to start pile 1 with everything under your control. Or probably you have a father or an elder brother who is more in power at that time. See, the year 2025 comes to 9. So it's a very masculine year. A year where your elder brother or your father or your anyone who's elder to you and close to you will be more supportive, will be more people, you can literally depend on them. And sometimes these people also get a little controlling and dominating, right? So yes, the year is going to start like that, but here in the first 6 months I see a lot of choices that you're going to make. You're going to be leaving something behind and going for the new one. So probably a new job, a new opportunity, business wise, maybe some new idea. But this change is going to be all of a sudden. Okay, it's going to be all of a sudden. It's going to be in the month of, probably in month of Jan and Feb. There is going to be some sudden change for you, okay, which overnight you'll realize either you've got a promotion or you've got a better paying job and you need to join like in another 2 days, something like that, something very sudden and very positive. Okay, and for people who are in business, there will be some sudden gain for you all, some sudden, very sudden gain. Okay, so here I feel that there's a lot of happy energy, lot of things moving fast and quickly. Relationship wise, guys, I feel you will be in a very good space in the first 3 months of the year. And yes, even in the next 3 months, that is till June, you're going to be in a very happy space when it comes to your relationship, except for people who have a son. Okay, so you have a younger brother or you have a son, you're going to be a little troubled over there, little disappointments you will have to face, okay, regarding your children, especially male child. Okay, you will reconcile with a lot of people. Now let's see, from June to December. June to December is a very testing time for you, pile 1. Okay, you will have little arguments with someone who wants to win on ego with you all the time, or probably is trying to trigger you so that they can take away whatever you have and run away, something like that. And that will really put you in a spiral, and you're going to get thinking what happened. You're going to get into a little negative space mentally. So just try to be a little positive at that time. I know when things happen we are not already thinking positive, but try to be more clear in your mind, so that you do not go into a depression or something like that. Here it is going to be a testing time from June to December. Why? Let me see. So either you will take a journey, spiritual journey. Okay, you might go to visit some um, Tirath Sthan or some religious holy place from June to December. And I feel that money wise things will go very slow, but money is coming, let me tell you. Money is coming the whole year for you. But the energy is going to be a little slow moving. And that is why you might lose your patience. Okay? Do not lose your patience. Right. Money is very stable in this year for you, especially from June to December. Money is extremely stable. You will have more choices also. Like if you are in a job, you will have more options of money, earning money. Maybe you'll get some side income or something like that. And people who are in business, they will get a lot of business. Probably their business will come in small parts. Like if I am expecting something like on a big amount money, I have the capability to attract, but you are attracting on small options. But the small together is going to become a big amount. So you have to be patient in that. Do not let go of any small opportunity you get, because that is going to lead you to a bigger one. Okay, now let's see how pile one, how your relationships are going to be. Your relationships are going to be absolutely dependent on your inner work. Here, in the past, probably you enjoyed a lot of relationships. You enjoyed dominating your relationships. You enjoyed that everything was in your control. But in this year, things are not going to be in your control. Here, you need to do a lot of meditation, or check yourself internally, because here relationships are not feeling the same that they used to feel. The stability you had, the security you had, is not going to be the same. Reason is that probably you'll feel abandoned by your partner, or probably you'll feel abandoned by your family or somebody around you. Okay, uh, I feel there is a lot in your relationship area you need clarity on. There's a lot of hidden things that you really need to see clearly. In the year of 2025, there is a lot of things that are unclear, and you need clarity. So, for that, anything that you need clarity on or mental clarity on, you need to chant Gayatri Mantra or Surya Mantra. Okay, all the truth will come in front of you, all the clarity will come in front of you every day, 11 times, 9 times, or 108 times, how much ever you can do. Try doing it, you will get clarity. You really need to be on guard of people who are behind your back, trying to create such a situation that they want to pull you down. Now this, I'm talking about relationship area. Somebody is extremely jealous of you, and now I don't see one person, I see 7 8 people. Okay, and they are trying to harm you and bring you down. So here you have to be very careful, and also because your mental clarity is not there. So when you are not able to see and there are a lot of enemies around you, person tends to come down, right? So here somebody is wanting you to probably spend your money more on them, and when you're not doing that, they are trying to spook you, do some kind of black magic or evil eye or something. So for that, you have to do your clearing. Your mental clarity is very important. Chanting every day Gayatri Mantra. See, I give all simple remedies. I will not give you some heavy tantric mantra in which everything is going to change. Those mantras are very, very harmful also, and they have side effects. Simply chanting a Gayatri Mantra every day brings you into your power. And what is more powerful than the sun? Om Surya Nama, one mala. Who can touch you? Nobody. Try doing that, and believe me, you will benefit. And of course, Hanumanji, Hanuman Chalisa every day. You're going to be protected. This seems like either, and you're a very emotional person. You want to do everything for everyone. But in that bargain, you are coming down. So be very, very careful. Okay, lot of backstabbing, cheating, be careful. Okay, even with your love partnership, you have to be extremely careful. Besides this, everything is good. You're achieving whatever you have thought in the next year, and things are going to be fine. Besides this, all the obstacles that you have today in 2024 will be overcome in 2025, especially in your second half. Second half, you'll be more smarter, more stronger, more careful of people. That's what I feel. Okay, that was pile one. So now pile one, I want to give you a nice angel message also on this. Okay, a nice one. I'll be making Akashic records. Pick a card also. After this, I will be releasing that. Okay. So, the message from the angels is You are profoundly clairvoyant. Trust what you see and your mind. With you, your physical sight for your spiritual vision helps you with holding, teaching, and guidance. So, probably pile one, you're a very intuitive people, and the angels want you. And the angels want you to know that you have to trust your intuition here. You cannot trust anybody else, only your intuition. And your intuition and your inner guru. You know, we all have an inner guru. Yes, we all have an inner guru, and your guru is yourself. So you need to teach yourself, guide yourself, and trust whatever you see with your eyes and your mind. That's your third eye. Okay, trust only that, nothing else. That's what the angels are telling you, pile one. Let's see what a beautiful message by angels. Let's see now what we have for pile two in 2025. Okay, 2025 for pile two. That is the white cat's eye. I love this white cat's eye. By the way, it's my favorite. So for 2025 pile 2, people who chose the white cat's eye, is the year is going to start with a bang for y'all. Y'all are going to basically be done with a lot of things in your life. I feel in the month of January only you will realize, by the end of this year only you will realize, actually by December end only you will start realizing that the relationships that are around you, the people that are around you, pile 2, are not meant for you. They are very toxic, they are very horrible, they have always put you down, cheated you. You don't understand why you are here. Why are you here? This is what, why am I here? Why am I still dealing with all these people? This is what you're going to realize in the beginning of the year only. And after that, your life is going to start walking in a speed after second or third week of Jan. It's going to be speedy and beautiful. Okay. You're going to overcome all your obstacles. Now I'm talking from Jan to June. You are going to be that. I always take this example of Subhash Ghai, the director. He was the showman. Like, there was no other showman like him and Raj Kapoor, right? So you are going to be the showman or showwoman of your life. Okay, you are going to be all in your potential. People who are in social media, people who are in acting, directing, or anything to do with that, that is, in front of people on screen or on Instagram, Facebook, or anything like that, you're going to be in your full potential. If you're into business, you are going to be the best businessman or woman of the year. You're really going to be all in your potential. Okay, you are going to also visit a lot of religious gatherings. Maybe some religious organizations are going to invite you. You're going to be involved in all these things. You're also going to be involved in some kind of guru. Either you will take a diksha this year, or you're going to be have a guru in your life. People who are looking for guru, not, it's not for everyone. Right? Okay, there are a lot of obstacles that have been overcome in your life, whatever you are going through now. Your karmic cycle somehow is ending right now. All the karma, that bad karma that was there in your life, I feel you have suffered that, and now after this you're going to walk smoothly. After January, especially, I feel that whatever bad things happened to you up till now was your past life karma. Okay, and now after this, your past life karma is being healed, and we have a cycle that we need to suffer this many times, this many years. So your suffering is going to be over, and you're going to walk smoothly after this. Okay, so from Jan to June, one thing, you need to take care of your health. Okay, all that you have gone through is stored in your body. I very strongly feel in your solar plex and your heart chakra, because at this time I'm feeling that in those areas, your heart chakra and your solar plex somewhere is activated right now, and that is where all your bad emotions, wrong emotions, unhealed emotions are stored. Okay, so you really need to work on these two chakras. Okay, so now what I feel, relationship wise pile 2, I feel you are going to be in a relationship where third party is going to be involved. Okay, now for some people it might not resonate to everybody. Some people might be in a relationship with an extramarital man or a woman, or you must be that person who's married or who's having an extramarital. This could be a very twin flame kind of a relationship, and it's going to be a very strong one. A very secret and a strong relationship is going to happen this year, because it's a year of Mars, and Mars is fire, and there's fire everywhere. Okay, but let me tell you one thing. Anybody who's having a extramarital affair, or is married and having an, no matter what the circumstances are, your Jupiter will not favor you. Remember this. If you have a Jupiter, good Jupiter in your chart, your Jupiter is not going to work for you anymore. I'm not saying it is right or wrong, good or bad. I don't judge people. Everybody lives with their own choices. But if you, in case, are getting into any kind of such relationships, and chances are very high, please stop yourself from doing that, because you're creating more. See, your karmic cycle is ending, so you are creating more bad karmas, and then it's a never ending journey, right? So yes, in your relationship area, besides this, I feel things will move very slowly, very practically. Okay, uh, relationship otherwise are going to be very, very, very smooth and happy this year for you. Now from June to December, i'm I feel you will build something more financially for yourself. Okay, there's a lot of transformation coming. New beginning means something new you're going to start in your business, in your job, in your life, basically, which will take you a level up. It will take you level up financially. It will take you level up in your status also. Okay. In the second half, I feel the only block is going to be from your own family, or probably you'll be too worried about your status, or too worried about your family members, or the pressure your family is going to get on you. uh, Maybe this pressure is coming from the fact that you don't take responsibility. This is what they're going to tell you. You don't take responsibility, you need to take more responsibility, and so on. But pile 2, I don't think you are going to get affected by that. You're going to be happy in your space and not bothered. Okay, so this pressure is not going to affect you much, right? So till December, I feel, take care of your self, health wise. I feel there could be a little argument also with a male who is elder to you. Okay, it could be a father, it could be an elder brother, or somebody who's like a brother or like a father in your life who's elder to you. It could be your boss also. Okay, that argument could happen. So please be careful. And yeah, otherwise, everything is good, everything is fine. Let me get you a angel message. I'll do. Heal away addictions. It's time to let go of behaviors that are blocking you from your heart's desire. Ask Archangel Raphael to help you with the healing. So yes, probably you are into some kind of addiction. Addiction, literally, it could be smoking, drinking, drugs, or anything else. Even sweet is an addiction. There are a lot of addictive patterns and habits people have, like same addictive behaviors. Okay, we tend to go into the same pattern. That is also a type of a addictive behavior. Okay, so yeah, lot of addictive, that is a very Rahu thing. Any kind of addiction could be, sitting on gaming is another addiction. um, Eating pan is an addiction. It could be anything, or it could be a behavior. So it's a very Rahu thing. So do some kind of Rahu remedy. Like Rahu remedies are very, very simple and easy. Okay, I'll give you one. Okay, now take some Gaumutra, take a safety pin, open the safety pin, dip it in the Gaumutra, put it in a small plastic bag. Now you're going to do this on Tuesday night. Okay, Wednesday morning after you take your bath, take that and keep it in your wallet. Okay, that really helps. Okay, wallet, or you can, if you're doing it for a kid, put it under the mattress where the child's head, where we sleep, where we keep below that. That will really help. This is one small remedy for Rahu and for addictions. Yeah, and if you need any personal reading, please come to me. That is separate. But yes, angel message is very clear. Heal away your addictions. Now, pile three. Pile three, let's see what we have for you. Let me collect my cards. Wow, such heavy readings, right? Okay. 2025. Now 2025 for pile 3. Pile 3 was this aventurine, green one, right? Pile 3. 2025 for pile 3 is beginning with either reconciling with someone they love or they were waiting to meet or come together with, or you are going to be meeting a lot of your old friends or siblings or cousins whom you have never met, or childhood friends. You're going to go into that beautiful past memory where you really enjoyed the time, spending that time with your near and dear ones. Okay, you're going to be a little like, I don't want to listen to your own family members, your own family, where who holds a very strong position in your life. Okay, pile 3. Let's see further on. The year is going to begin with a little argument or discontent with one of your family members. Okay, probably it is your father or your grandfather. I don't know why I see grandfather. Either it's a grandfather or some kind of guru who's like a father figure in your life. It might not resonate to everyone, to some. Okay, lot of transformation coming. Now I'm talking about Jan to June. Lot of transformation coming. Somewhere you felt very disappointed in your life in certain areas, especially your work and money. There's a new beginning coming. Okay, and also see a lot of pressure building, regarding money. Lot of demands in your house, demanding in your work area. You're feeling extremely pressurized from Jan to June. However, this pressure is going to remove the best potential out of you. It is going to push you so hard that you're going to actually generate a lot in your life where you sit around, say, on your throne and do all your work. Now, some little more pressure is coming from a female who is elderly, could be your mother, mother in law, or somebody who's like a mother. A female is going to put a lot of pressure on you regarding money. But here, a lot of hard work is going to help. And first 6 months, money is coming 100%, but your patience is required. Money is coming slow. See, now here what is going to happen, you're going to work more hard. I'm working very hard, but the amount of money that should be coming, that is not coming. But what I'm expecting, literally half of that is coming. However, that half is coming very slowly, but it's coming. You understood? So money is coming, but very slowly. Your patience is required. I will recommend do as much as meditation you can. It will really help. Now, relationships too can take a toll in the first half of the year. Okay, from June to December, you're in your better potential. Your relationships are doing better. Your work is doing better. Things are moving faster than usual. Okay, now there's a lot of things are happening, but I'll tell you, be very careful. Now, here is the catch, everything is happening faster, smoother, better. However, there will be some situation created in your workspace which will take you in a spiral. Somebody is manipulating the situation, especially it could be a female elderly, or a male with a feminine energy and who's still very elder to you. Okay, so 9 number, the next year is all about people who are elder to you and who are more in their masculine energy, especially it could be a female also. Okay, here this person, or if it's not a person, it's just a situation. There's some situation which is really, really complicated. Okay, and you're trapped in that situation. You don't know what to do. There's a lot of endings happening here. You're going to end a lot of relationships around you because they were not serving you anymore, and that is the only way to recover from a bad situation to a good one. This is, I'm talking from June to December. Okay, believe me, and that is going to do good to you, very, very good to you. Okay, all your obstacles will be overcome. You might go on a journey because you're not feeling good as to what happened, so you might take a trip somewhere. This trip is going to be again a trip where you're going to check yourself internally, feel what is this, what all has happened. It could be a spiritual trip, going to a spiritual place. Okay, or it could be that you are moving from one place to another. It could be a shifting of residence, shifting of job, business. But this shifting is not going to be easy. It's going to take a toll on you. Okay, it could be either or. So till December, I feel you are going to little be in a negative space of mind, literally feeling little emotionally low, but you should always see what the universe is giving you. All these changes and these endings that are happening in this year for you is going to rise you tremendously. Probably after this, you're going to get a promotion. Now, this promotion could be a job promotion, this could be a better job, this could be a promotion in your life, this could be a promotion in your business where you're earning more money in your better space, right? So, all this, what you will go through, pile 3, is going to serve you better, is eventually for your greater good. We don't see the greater good, it's going to be for your greater good, right? Now let's see what angel message is coming for you. Tough year, yeah? No, not very tough. Only thing is there are going to be a lot of up and down. However, it's our lesson. We are still in school, right? We are learning. Angel message. Be willing to forgive. Wow, what a card. Ask the angels to clear your mind and body of past pain in exchange for peacefulness. That's so beautiful. I'll tell you something. If people hurt you, okay, are you able to forgive them? Hurt you immensely? No. It's, I've seen people talking superficially, saying that, oh, I to forgive everybody. Nobody forgives anybody from your heart when you're hurt. No need to forgive them. We chant the Ho'oponopono for what? Not to forgive people. For us to step out of that karma so that that person never comes in our space. We don't have to face that person. And I want to leave. I'm forgiving myself, not the other person. Right? So yes, be willing to forgive yourself here. That is what the angels are saying. Be willing to forgive yourself so that you can let go of all the toxic things that have happened in your life, and so that you love yourself more and walk smoothly in life. Right? All right, that was a beautiful message from the angels, and this was very intense reading for pile 3. And that's all for today. Coming up with monthly reading for sure in mid of December. I'm not going anywhere, like I said. Don't worry, more to come. Yes, I'm going to do one more pick a card reading of Akashic Records coming soon. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and share it with your family friends. That's all for today. Goodbye. God bless. Bye bye.